2? How many of
Yes,
you
ma'am.
executed? Ping me in the chat. How many of you executed test case number 2? Very good. Next. Very good. Very good. Good. Most of you have got. Okay. Today I'll give you this framework. Now look at this, guys. Look at my execute. Now you tell me. Okay. So you tell me the test case 2 and test case 3. Let's start automating. Okay. You tell me. You already executed. You keep telling and going. We'll start. So what is your project name? Okay. So, test case number 2. Let's start. Please tell me what's the test case number 2. Tell me. Look at your book and tell me. Open
browser, enter URL of skillready.com.
Okay.
Type Selenium under search mode.
Okay, hold on. Now tell me, SkillReady page is created or it is not created? This page is created or not created?
Created, ma'am.
It is already created, correct? So you don't need to create. It's already created one time. There is that SkillReady login page. So start adding the elements over here. Okay. So what element? I need to do the typing action. Right click, inspect. Tell me by using which locator?
Name locator.
Name locator, ma'am.
Name locator. Tell me the code.
Annotation find by.
Annotation. Oh, sorry. 1 minute. Annotation find by.
Name is equal to.
Name is equals to
Q.
value. Next.
Private web element.
Private web element, and name of this is search text. Name of this is the search text box. Okay, now I should go and inspect this search. Okay, let me right click, inspect. Now tell me by using which locator? I'll go with XPath by attributes. So /input value is equals to go. There are two elements are matching. So
Locator.
1 minute. Okay. Let me go. Tell me. Annotation find by using
XPath is equal to
private
web element.
Go. Okay. Now look here. I will come here. I will type Selenium. I'll click on go. When I type Selenium, when I click on this, I mean the text box go. Wait. Is it navigating to the different page or it is in the same page?
Different page.
It is navigating to the Selenium page. Look at the name of this page is what? It is navigating to Selenium page. Now, that means what? Declaration over. Wait, declaration over. Listen. Declaration is over. Initialization is already done. Utilization. Utilize this. Public void search text box. Okay, so search text box dot send keys. Okay, so you should specify the name. So you should not hard code the data. Pass it as a parameter. To this method. As soon as you get the data like this, go to data.property file. And name it. course name. So what's the course name? Selenium. Course name Selenium. Okay, now come back. Now come back. Next, what is one more element? That is search button. One more is there, no? Public void search button. Tell me. Go dot click. Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
We need to create a new page, means new class. New page means new class. Let me create one class. Selenium page. Let me create a new class, Selenium page. Okay. In Selenium page, what you should do? I should do mouse over on testing. I need to unclick on what? Automation testing.
Automation.
So let me do. I should do what? Remember, I need to do mouse over on testing. So let me right click, inspect this testing. Let me right click, inspect this testing. /A
Text.
text function equals to testing. Okay. There are 5 elements are matching. Just tell me the index. Which is the index here? Because in my case, 1 minute. Tell me the index, guys. You have written, right? /A text function equals to the text value. Okay, that is the first element only. Now tell me. Annotation. Find by XPath equals to value. Next.
Private web element.
Web element.
This is testing. This is testing. Okay. Kumar, Mr. Kumar. Now I need to click on automation testing. I need to click on what? Automation testing. 1 second, hold on. One minute, wait. Okay. Automation testing. /A text function equals to value of it 1. Tell me the program, guys. Tell me the code. You guys have already told me. Annotation find by
XPath equals private web element. Selenium
Automation.
automation testing. Okay. Now what I should do? I need to do mouse overing on testing. I need to click on automation testing. So this will navigate to the different page. Is it navigating to the different page?
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
navigating to the different page.
Page.
Now, so I need to create a different class. Declaration over. Next, tell me the steps. Tell me, you write the program. Tell me. Next.
Initialization.
Public.
Tell me, how do you do initialization?
Public. Selenium
Public.
page.
Selenium page.
Selenium page. Web.
Public.
Selenium page.
Selenium page.
Web driver.
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 Factory.
Page factory done. Init element.
Init element. Driver page.
Driver comma this. Let me import this web driver. Okay. Now you tell me, guys, what is an action you are going to do on testing? What's an
Clicking.
action?
Mouse over. Mouse overing.
So mouse is what you should do.
Generate.
Click on the right click on the program.
Click.
Source.
Source.
Generate getter.
Getters and setters.
Okay. Next, I need to perform what action automation testing? I need to perform click.
Click.
Public void automation testing tab. Okay. So automation testing dot click. Okay. Now it will go to where? It will go to which page? It will go to where? Core Java page. Which page it is going? It is going to Core Java page. Now in Core Java page, what I need to do? I need to click on what? Core Java for Selenium. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
I need to click on this option called as Core Java for Selenium. Now, 1 minute, wait. I need to. Shit. Where is that? 1 second, sorry. Let me inspect this Core Java for Selenium. Let me inspect this. /A text function equals to Core Java for Selenium. Tell me the code. Tell me the code. Annotation.
Find by
Find by
X path is equal to value.
Private web element.
Core Java.
Core Java.
Okay. Next, only one element, because when you click on Core Java, it will go to where? Where it will go?
new
It
page.
will go to the next. Public
Core Java. Driver.
driver
Page
Ah.
factory.
page factory init element driver.
This.
Let me import this web drive. Okay. Now let me create one method. Public void core Java course. Now core Java dot click. Core Java dot click. Okay. Now it will go to which page? It will go to take this page. Take this course. Take this course page. It will go to take this course page. Now I will go click on the Core Java for Selenium. Now what I should do? Step number 1. I need to inspect this. I need to inspect this play. Correct, right? Right click, inspect this play. /div play. Tell me the code.
Annotation find by
Position find by
X path
Value.
equal to value.
private
Element.
element.
Web element. Web element play.
Play button.
This is play
Play button.
play button.
Button.
This is play button. Now I need to click on pause button.
Annotation find by
1 minute. Let me go to this. Annotation
Find by
find
X path
path
value.
is value.
Private element.
Web element.
Pause button.
Pause button.
pause button. One is play button, one is pause button. Okay, now after that I need to click on share via Twitter. I need to click on what? Share via
Twitter.
/span
Text.
text share via Twitter.
Annotation find by
X path is
Value.
private web element.
Share
Via
Twitter.
Twitter. Okay, all the elements is done. Public, take this course. Tell me.
web driver driver. Page factory dot
Element. Elements.
driver, comma
this.
Driver, comma this. Start creating
Yes.
a method. Public void
Void play button.
Play button. Dot click.
Play button dot click function.
Click.
Okay, next play over. Next
Public void pause button.
pause button. Pause
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 button.
button. Dot click.
click.
okay, next
Public void
Void share
Share by
share via Twitter dot
via
click.
Twitter dot click.
Okay, now look at your test case. Look at your test case. Start writing the test scripts. This is what is a program. Share via Twitter. Correct, right? Tell me the program. Step number 1. What you will do? Step number 1. What is step number 1? Extends base class. Next. Annotation test. Public void test case number 2. Tell me, step number 1, what will you do?
All the login page.
So, login is equals to new login. Call the elements. Call the elements. Search text box. I need to read the data from the property file. P data dot P. What's the reference variable we have created? Sorry, P file. P file. P file dot get data. Pass it as a parameter. What is the name of that? Course name. Okay. Next, I need to click on search button. It will go to which page? Next. It will go to which page?
Next page.
It will go to which page? Login, it will go to which page?
Selenium page, ma'am.
Selenium page.
Go to Selenium page. Selenium page is equals to new Selenium page. In Selenium page, what I should do? I need to do mouse over. Call it utilities dot mouse overing driver comma yes dot. You need to mouse over one testing. Then you need to click on automation testing tab. Automation testing tab. Then it will go to where? Core Java. It will go to
Core Java.
Core Java. In Core Java page, what is there? First, you need to switch the control. Look at your book and tell me. Switch the frame. After switching frame, what you should do? Play button.
Play button.
Play button.
C dot. Where I'm not getting play button. Sorry. Not here. Here, what I should do? I need to click on what? Core Java for Selenium. Next, I need to go to what? This page, right? Take this course page. I should go to take this course page. Here I need to do. Correct, right? Here what I should do? Step number 1.
Utilities dot switch frame.
Switch the frame. Play button. Play button. Let it play. Let it play for some 10 seconds. Let it play for 10 seconds.
T dot pause.
Then I will do what? Pause it.
Button.
Pause button. Then I will do what? Switch the control back.
Again back.
Switch the back. Then I'll need to click on share via
Twitter.
Twitter. That's all. Run the program. So did you all write the program? Test case number 2 in the same fashion? People who wrote, have you written in the same fashion?
Except the hard coding it in the data property file.
Oh, okay. Here there is one close button. You need to handle that. Are you able to see there is one close button which comes? There is one pop-up which comes. Observe. There's one pop-up which comes. That you need to handle it. That means you just click on the close. That's all. Okay, first I need to go and inspect. Otherwise, your program will not let you to run it. Wait. Where is that pop-up? Wait. I'll give a little bit delay. Now we will handle that. Okay, just click on it. So. Now I've given delay, but you have to inspect that close button and click on close. See this pop-up I was talking about. You need to close that. Okay, you need to close that. Otherwise, see, the test case is getting failed because of that. Are you understanding? I just wanted to show you that pop-up. Did you see that pop-up?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
yes. I need to close that. Wait, I'll give some delay and I'll inspect it. I'll close it. See, there is one pop-up here. Are you able to see there is one pop-up coming here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
need to inspect this, otherwise this program will not work. Okay, right click, inspect. Right click, inspect. Okay, so /A text function equals to, okay, copy this. Let me go and write it in Selenium page. And go to where is that Selenium page? Here, let me write it. Annotation, find by using XPath, paste the value, private web element close. Okay, we'll call this public void close pop-up close dot click. Okay, now I'll stop this delay. Yes dot close pop-up. Okay, now I'll write one condition. If one minute, wait. I'll just create one getters method for this. 1 second. Source, generate one getters method. Okay, now what I will write here is, I'll write here if s dot get close, if this is found, if this element is found, okay, this is Boolean itself. Let us change it to Boolean. Okay, it will take to Boolean. Fine, no problem. We'll see this, otherwise we'll change it. S dot close pop-up, and let us give a delay of 2 seconds. Okay, for us to see whether it is closing or not. Okay, we'll just give a delay of 2 seconds just to verify whether it is closing or. Let me run this. Just for me to see whether it is closing or not. See the execution. Is it closing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it closing? But it should click on testing, no? Why is it clicking on finance? 1 minute. It should click on this one. It is clicking on finance. 1 minute. Let us run this 1 second. Did we write something XPath wrong? We'll just check it off. 1 second. This will close. See here? It should click on testing. Let me inspect testing once. /span text function equals to
Testing.
testing. So this is correct. This is correct. So this should do mouse over on. So let me go to Selenium page and this is correct only, but I guess okay.
Maybe
1 minute.
index value need to give.
No, why index? Only one element is there. No, we will use the scroll bar. We'll scroll to that element and we'll click it. Okay, we'll scroll. and we'll
Okay.
click on it. Fine. So we will add on this scroll bar. Okay. So close the pop-up. Then we will call this scroll bar utilities dot scroll bar. Scroll bar. Okay. For testing, I need to give this in X and Y. Get testing, store it inside one reference variable. Okay, store it inside one reference variable. Okay, get this location. Int X is equals to get location. Get location. Oh, sorry. 1 second. Get location. Test tab dot get location. Store it inside one reference variable. The return type of this would be point. Int X is equals to get X. Int Y is equals to get Y. Okay. Now let us scroll to that element. Hi, why are you getting error here? Int X, int Y, correct only it is there, no? Okay, this should be written here. This should be written
Yes,
here.
ma'am. After that.
Okay, now what we are doing is, so we are closing that pop-up, we are scrolling to that element, then what we are doing, we are mouse overing. Okay, now let me run the program. Let me run this again. See the execution. It opens the browser, maximizes, enters the URL of Skilldery, type for Selenium. Oh God. One minute, wait. Because when it click on that pop-up, that force is going and clicking. Are you able to understand what is happening? Are you able to understand what is happening? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, So 100% it is present. So don't need to write any condition. Correct, right? Because this is present. Yes or no? 100% pop-up comes. So don't need to write it. Don't need to write this any condition. Because 100 pop-up, that 100% pop-up will come. 1 minute. Selenium. Okay. Let me not close that pop-up because we are scrolling it, right? We will see this execution. We will see this. We will scroll this. We will see this. What happens? I removed the program for closing it. OMG. What if now what am I doing? I'm closing it prior, then only I'm going to the next page. Are you understanding what did I write? Are you understanding what did I write? I'm closing here only. See here? It will close this. Are you able to see that?
No.
Oh, again this is coming. One idea we will do. What if I inspect, accept, whether it will go? For you people, you didn't get this issue?
For me, pop-up is not coming, ma'am.
1 minute, wait. We will click on accept. That will disappear. Instead of closing, we'll click on that accept. Okay, no problem. We'll give you a solution. We will inspect. We will click on and accept. That's all simple. Few people are getting, few people are not getting. No problem, guys. /button text function accept. So instead of closing, I'm accepting it. Let me stop the execution. Okay, let me run this. Now we will see what happens. I'm not closing, I'm accepting it. I'm accepting that one. Did it accept? Okay. Now the pop-up issue is solved. Yes? Is the pop-up issue solved?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Element not retractable. Now what is the next issue? Next
Scroll
issue
down.
is it is wait. Now
should
next issue. Now pop-up issue is solved. Now what happened? I'm an element has no size and the location. What is this? So don't need to scroll down
Yeah, ma'am, scrolling is not necessary, I
now.
think.
Don't need to write this code. This is waste here. Yeah, it is not necessary. Let me comment it. Mouse over. Okay. Now let me run this. Your application, understanding application is important. Okay, see, now we accepted. The problem is solved. Now it should go mouse. Oh my God. Why is it closing? 1 minute. Hold on. Let me run this. I understood where we went wrong. Anybody got to know where we went wrong? Anybody understood where we went wrong? This piece of the code is not required. This piece of the code is not required. 1 minute, wait. After clicking on the search text field, okay, now I'll give little bit delay for 10 seconds. I'll just give you little bit delay of 10 seconds. Because if you observe, it is mouse hovering on the login page. Are you able to observe, guys? Did you observe that? It is mouse hovering on login page only. Now you see. Now you let me run this. Now you observe. Now it will not, because I've given a little bit delay. Now you observe it. See, it was not landing to this page only, first of all. I've given 10 seconds of delay. Oh God. What is wrong with this? Okay. Did we write proper mouse hovering code? Mouse over, mouse over, mouse over driver is actions is equals to. We don't move to this element, mouse over. Program is right. Anybody faced any issue in mouse hovering? When you're executing the test case, did you face any issue in mouse hovering? Hello?
No, ma'am.
No. But I am facing.
But for me, from property file, it's not taking a URL, ma'am. I need to use a get method only.
No. URL maybe you have not, maybe path was not correct. You are getting null pointer exception.
Yes, ma'am.
Path is not correct. Your problem is simple. But your mouse hovering is not happening. Here the issue is mouse hovering problem. Okay. I will just do it manually. I'll just check. I'll just do it manually and I'll just check it. Now you see. I just did mouse over manually. I just clicked. Other things you observe. Other things it is working.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Other things are working. See, your test case is getting failed. Only the mouse over action is not working. Okay. The mouse over action is not working, which I did manually. I'll just check this mouse over, except that you people work. Okay. See, this mouse over is not working. Mouse over driver, web element actions class, a dot move to element dot perform. Correct only, not is there. write this. Okay, so use that accept button and click on it. Use the accept method and click on it. Can you try this scenario?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. And somebody told null pointer exception. Very simple. Go to auto constant interface. Check the path. Check the spelling, case sensitive. Check the path and do it. Here it will be wrong. Here it will be wrong. Okay. I'll give you 5 minutes. Check wherever you guys went wrong and correct it. Click on accept. Don't click on close. Click on accept. I'll give you 5 minutes. Sort out this scenario. We'll go to the next scenario.
Ma'am, can you show the ones the property file Java? Yeah, ma'am, done.
Hello. Hello, ma'am. Hello. Hello, ma'am. Yes, tell me, please. Tell me.
Oh, hello, ma'am. Sheldon. Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, I already told you that I don't find the Maven folder in Eclipse. Could you please help me with that, ma'am? I
Share
couldn't
your
follow
screen.
this step.
Others, are you executing? Others, are you executing? Sharing given access. Share your screen. Just use the accept method instead of close. Huh? No. Wait. Please do whatever I tell. Wait, madam. Show me that Maven project. Close this. Close this. Click on help. What version of Eclipse are you using? Close the Eclipse. Launch the Eclipse. From the day one, I'm shouting. You guys should have latest version of Selenium, and still you keep grandfather's Eclipse only. Please change your version of Eclipse. I'm telling from the day one, latest. For what, Joy? And you guys will never listen.
Ma'am,
Hello, ma'am.
ma'am, mine is 32 bits, so that I don't find the latest version here, ma'am.
The bit latest version is there.
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Wait,
but
Hello. Ma'am.
Hitman, have patience. I'm solving one issue, right? Have patience. It is there, no, madam? For 32-bit?
Yeah, I have tried, ma'am, even that too.
What have you tried?
I tried
This
downloading it, ma'am.
one, Sharin, this one you should ask me on the day 1 of installation. You're asking at the last day of the class. Very good. You click here. Download Eclipse IDE 2020-2021. This is the latest version. It supports both.
Yeah. No, ma'am, I've tried, but it is not supporting my system. It's 64-bit.
Just install 32-bit.
Not supporting.
No, ma'am, it doesn't support. I have tried, ma'am.
Sharin, first you tell me what is your system is, 32 or 64?
32-bit, ma'am.
32-bit means it will support. This will support.
It's not supporting, ma'am. I've tried it.
Check your Java version. What is your Java version? One second, guys. 1 second. Guys, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. You are shouting
Yes,
now. Now
ma'am.
you tell me what is the issue.
Ma'am, I'm not able to execute the code, ma'am.
Why? What happened?
Hello, ma'am.
What's your name?
Parth.
Wait, man. What's your name?
Parth, ma'am.
Yes. Wait, man. Share me a screen. Tell me what is the error. Share your screen.
I'm getting a null pointer exception, but my path is correct. Here, ma'am.
Line pointer exception. Base class. Go to base class. Everybody look at the screen. Everybody look at the screen. If you people also get this exception, you should resolve yourself. Okay. Everybody look at the screen. Public WebDriver, okay. Open app, WebDriver manager, okay. Scroll bit down, man. Wait. Opens the browser. Oi, what man? I've taught you so many days. You don't know where to apply implicit. Wait, copy line number 30 and paste it after line number 32. Save it. Next, go to auto constant. Current project / src / test / resources resources / data.properties. Okay, go to property file. Go to property file class. Go to property file class. Property file class. Okay. Go to the POM classes. Show me the POM classes. Expand your login page. Go to Skillary demo login page. Okay. Go to this add to cart page. Okay. Show me your test scripts adding course to cart. Save this, run the program. Oh, browser itself is not launching.
Yes, ma'am.
Click on pom.xml. 1 minute. Double click on console. Show me your console first. Console. Double click on your console.
Where is the console?
Click on console. Where is the console? Scroll up. Click on that base class Java line number 27. You mad fellow. You don't know where to write what type of code. Daily I keep asking the same thing. I'll keep asking you, launch the browser. You don't know how to write the program. You'll write a manage first. Without launching the browser, only you'll write the manage. You have common sense and write, guys. You behave as if you don't have any common sense only. Cross verify some 100 times. Done? Everybody completed your test case number 2? Is your test case number 2 is working? Is your test case number 2 is working? Hello? Everybody completed with execution of test case 2. Is test case 2 is working? I hope I'm audible to everyone. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's go with the test case number 3. Test case number 3. What is the test case number 3? Tell me. What is test case number 3?
Open Skillrary application. Click on gears.
Hold on. Open Skillrary application page. Okay, next.
Click on gears.
Click on gear. Now tell me, have you all written this code or will you sit and write again? Open Skillrary, click on gears, click on Skillrary,
have
demo
written.
app. This piece of the code is already written or will you sit and write again?
Written.
Already written. So now, in Skillrary demo login page, what you should do?
Select the testing from the job.
Select testing.
Select testing from the
From
drop down.
drop down.
Select testing from the drop down. Okay. Now I want to select testing from the drop down. Correct, right? Now tell me, this is a drop down. This is the drop down. I need to select it from where? This is present in where? Skillrary demo login page. It is present where? In the Skillrary demo login page. Now I'll go and inspect this. Right click, inspect. Right click, inspect. Tell me by using which locator? Name locator.
My name.
Name locate.
Tell me the code. Notation, find by
Find by
Fine.
using X
Name.
name. Ma'am.
Name.
right.
Ma'am, export not.
Oh, sorry, name element.
Name.
Okay. So what is this? This is testing drop down. This is testing drop down. Okay. Now I need to select a value, that is testing option. Okay. So I'll go past this data. So this is what? From testing drop down. From the testing drop down. Correct, right? Now you tell me. Skillrary demo login page. Now testing drop down. So what is an action will you do? It's a drop down. What do you need to generate? Source, generate, getters, and this is for what? Testing drop down.
Testing drop down.
Select this, generate that. Okay. Now I'll go and select what? Testing from the drop down. Now, it is going to the new page or it is in the same page?
New page.
New page.
it is going to the new page. Correct, right? That is nothing but testing page. It is going to the testing page. Now let me create one class. Testing page. Let me create one class called testing page. Okay, now in testing page, I need to click on what? Selenium training. What I should do in testing page?
No, ma'am. Scroll the page down and click on Facebook icon.
Okay. Scroll down and click on Facebook icon. Okay. So /i @ class is equals to this. This is okay. Now I'll go right. Now this is a scroll bar. Annotation find by using XPath, paste the value, private web element, and this is FB. Now I need to do scroll bar. I need to generate a this not any click. I need to scroll to that. I need to generate a getters method. Source.
Yes.
Okay. Next, create a constructor. Public
Testing page.
testing page.
WebDriver page factory dot init element driver comma this.
Finish driver comma. Just let me import this web driver. Okay, done. Finish. Now it will go to which page? It will, when I scroll down, if I click on Facebook, and it will go to Facebook page. I need to click on like button. I need to click on like button in this. Right click, inspect. One minute. Let me put it in this view. Button type is equals to submit.
I need to create new class, right? Ma'am?
I will
Navigate.
create.
Yes,
problem.
ma'am.
Button @ type is what is wrong? I'll inspect and write it. I'll inspect it first. Then I will write it. Okay, now I'll go and now we'll create. Any way you can do. Now I'll create this Facebook page. Let me create one class. Facebook page. Tell me. Annotation find by using XPath, paste it. Tell me the code.
Private web element
submit button.
Public Facebook page constructor, WebDriver page factory
Element driver comma this. Driver comma this.
Driver comma this. Let me import annotation find by. Okay, now I need to click on like.
Like void line.
Like
Button.
button.
Submit button dot click.
That's all. Now you tell me, complete test scripts, you tell me. Complete thing, you tell me. I will not tell anything. You tell, I'll keep writing.
Creating the login page.
Extend base class. Base class.
Annotation test.
Public.
Okay, next.
Void
Next.
Login, we need to create object for login page. Login page L is equal to new login.
Okay. Next. Next.
Here, but L dot gear button.
Yes.
Next.
Demo app button. Library demo login page.
Okay. Next. Next.
S dot drop down window.
Yes. S dot get
Utilities dot
router.
Yes. Dot get drop down. Read the text. P file dot get property.
P testing ID.
Paste it. Okay, na? It will throw you an exception. Throw that exception. Next. It will go to which page? Next.
Facebook.
No. It will go to
You need to scroll down the page.
before that, which it will navigate to, I should select, then it should go to one more page, no?
Page.
It should go to testing page. New testing page. In this testing page, what it should do? It should scroll
Scroll down.
Scroll down.
Utilities. Scroll.
It should scroll this. Now, how do you scroll this? T dot get FB. Store it inside one reference variable. The return type of this is web element. Get location. Store it inside one more reference variable. The return type of this is
Point.
point. Int x is equals to loc dot get x. Int y is equals to loc dot get
Y.
loc dot get
Y.
y. Okay, now. Why are you getting error? Because you would have not saved that class. That's the reason you would have got that. Save all the classes or else will go. Okay, next. It should go click on what? Facebook. T dot get FB. Excuse me. Dot click. I need to click on it. Next, it will go to where?
Facebook. Facebook like is equal to new Facebook like bit button.
Facebook page, ma'am.
Next. That's
Like
all. Run the program. Look at the execution. What happened?
Exception, ma'am.
It's not selecting drop.
Oh, why? Because we didn't switch the control only, no. You need to switch the control to the page, no. Without switching, how it will perform an operation?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Understand me?
Yes,
Without
ma'am.
switching the control, how it will perform operation? Switch the control. Because you observe that it is new, two tabs are opening. This is a parent window. When you click, it is opening a new tab. You need to switch the control. If you don't switch the control, it will not perform operation. See, now it is selecting testing. See, now it is
Yes,
scroll down. No, with that time we didn't switch.
Yes.
Now you will click on this and is it clicked on like button? Test case
Yes, ma'am.
executed?
Yes, ma'am.
Test
Yes,
case
ma'am.
executed? Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now, let me right click, let me refresh. Let me right click, let me refresh. Go to the photo folder. You will have collections of photo. Wherever, see, my test case got failed because there was no internet. My test case got failed because I didn't give the switch control. See, wherever my test case failed, I just taken a photo of all my test cases.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
With the date time, because we ran so many times. See, all the times because that didn't get executed. It has taken a screenshot. Refresh the page, it will be taken screenshot. Now I want to execute all the programs sequentially. I want to generate a report. Tell me the steps. I want to execute all the test cases sequentially. I want to generate a
Select
report.
all the tests.
Select all the
Test
right click,
Right
right click,
test engine,
Test
engine.
Convert
Test engine.
convert to test engine.
convert to testng. Testng
Dot
dot
test
exe
dot
file will be created. Run that. Run it. So your all test cases will get executed. Failed test cases, it will take a screenshot. Now let us run all the test cases. We'll see how many test cases passes, how many test cases fails. See the execution. Are you understanding, guys? Is it easy, simple?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it very easy? Okay. If you guys have studied from the day one, this would be very, very easy. If you guys have not studied from the day one, this would be very difficult, very simple. Guys, there is a drive which is happening on Monday. Monday is a drive. Okay. Experience candidates. How many are still looking out for a job? Please ping me your names. Who got rejected also fine. Who got rejected in the last interview also fine. No problem. Okay. We will have a grooming session. We'll prepare and we'll give you an interview on Monday. Still time is there. Today is 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st. Oh, 22nd is your drive. Okay. So how many were interested? Please ping me your names. Oh, that is not doing mouse overing. My one test case got failed.
Where should we ping our details, ma'am?
Ping, don't just ping your names on the text box here. In the chat box, you ping. I just want to see how many are there. Look at the execution and just ping me your names. I just want to see how many people are there.
the same drive as
I'll
11.
tell you. Ah,
Same drive as of last week, ma'am.
I didn't understand. Repeat again.
Is the drive is same as the last week?
Yes, yes. People who get selected, not for you.
Okay.
People who got selected, it's not for you. People who got rejected, or if anybody wants to give. Okay, because it will be next month, it will be December mid. One more month you have to wait. Mean that if you want anybody to join, so you can attend it. Oh, my mistake. I've clicked twice, I guess. It is executing 2 times. Okay, so let's see. The total of number of test cases ran is how many? How many test cases ran?
3.
Ma'am.
Iran.
Pass,
Two.
one
One
fail.
fail.
One
How
failed.
to generate the report?
Yes, ma'am.
How to generate the report?
Click on the postgrad. That
Expand
And
test
expand test.
Okay.
Yes,
Test out.
Emailable.
Open
Okay.
with
We open
Open with web browser.
See, are you able to see? Test case 1 is passed, test case number 2 is passed. And why the test case number 3 is failing? Because no such element exception. Maybe something I've done wrong in that test case 2, maybe inspecting of that. Okay, so see, it is giving you the reason also why it is got failed. Are you able to see, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is telling selector X path is wrong. Core Java for Selenium, it is not there. Okay, why? Because mouse hovering is only not happening. Then where it will go find the core Java for Selenium? That's the reason it is throwing you error. So go on refresh, you will be able to see this report and program. Did you understood? How do you do the project? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. Now, everybody look at my screen. Very important announcement. Experienced candidate means living 2020, 2021. Not for you. I'll give you also requirement. I'll tell you when. Wait, not for you. Except that 2019 and less than that, experienced candidates. Experienced candidates. Okay, so your interview is on Monday. Still time is there. Okay, don't wait till next month, because next month, another 1 month you have to wait. 30 days. By then you will be working. Monday. And people who are willing to relocate to Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Chennai. Only these 3 locations we have for experience, not for any other. If you're okay with this location, if you're looking out for job, and if you people already attended, okay, you got rejected, okay, any of you, ping me your names in the group. We have a group, right? Ping me your names. Don't ping me all your details, just names. Just names you ping me. Okay, because when I finish the class, the chat box names will go. Just ping me your names in the group. That's the first thing. Second thing, when is your final mark? When is your final mark?
Tomorrow, ma'am.
Tomorrow.
Final mark. Guys, for experience, look here. I'll tell you why this mark is very important. Both fresher and experience, it is very important. Especially fresher. See, fresher requirements, I am not handling much, guys. Okay, I'm not handling much. That's the reason what we are doing is we are giving the mock ratings to HRs. So depending on the mock rating, freshers are getting interviews. Mock ratings are very, very, very important. It's okay. If you get 2 also fine. At least attend the mock. At least if you without a mock rating, no requirements is given. 2021. Take your mock. Okay. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow. That is Wednesday and Friday. From Friday onwards, I'll give you the requirements for freshers. Okay, freshers? Freshers, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay? I'll give you the requirements from when? From Friday. Looking into your mock rating, I'll start giving you the requirements from Friday. Okay. For freshers, 2021, 2021 freshers. Okay. People who are looking for this, please ping me your names. No. Mock is there in the same thing. You have to join to the class and I'm going to take a mock. So come first, come early. So if 1%, 5 minutes I'll take. Not more than that. 5 to 8 minutes. 5 to 8 minutes. Come early, take your mock, you can live. Okay. On Friday, I will teach you Jenkins, interview questions, sample resumes, all these things I'm going to teach you on Friday. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Okay. Now, Friday's class is very important. Whoever takes mock, only for them it is. Okay? So people who are okay with this 3 location, please ping me your details. Okay? Ping me your names. First ping me your names. I want to check how many are there. Just ping me your names. Okay? Experienced people. And your drive is Monday. For freshers, from Friday, I'll give you the requirements. That's the first thing. Second thing. Now I need to give this complete framework to you. How would I give this complete framework to you? Can I drop an email to everyone? How can I give this complete framework to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Email, ma'am.
Email. Email.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. You guys. Or will you take a screenshot?
No, ma'am. Email would be better.
Guys, you don't have common sense. Understand my question and answer. I want to give this entire framework to you. Which is the best way? You want me to drop an email, or will you want me to take a screenshot? Will you take a screenshot, or will you sit and type, or should I give it to you via GitHub?
Ma'am.
GitHub,
Via
ma'am.
GitHub, ma'am.
We'll
Okay,
take a
then you
screenshot, ma'am.
go in the company you join and ask them to drop an email. That day only they'll throw you outside from that. Okay. So if anybody wanted to exchange an information, we are going to share it with the online repository called as what? GitHub. Okay. So what is GitHub? GitHub is a online repository. Online repository to store and maintain your test script. What is this? It's an online repository to store and maintain your test script. Now, okay, now if you look at this, first, this is architecture. Your architecture is done by the, sorry, your framework design. Okay, your framework designing of a framework is done by the architect. Okay, is done by the senior architect is going to do the design. Then what he will do? He will push that. He will push that into the GitHub repository. Okay, next comes to your implementation. Implementation is done by a senior automation engineer or a junior automation engineer will do the implementation. First, he will pull the design. He will pull the design from the repository. He will do the implementation. Again, he will push it. Next comes to your execution. This is done by a fresher, or this is done by the junior automation engineer. First, what he will do? He will pull the framework. Once after execution is done, he will push it back to the GitHub. Understood? What is the use of GitHub? So every day, keep performing this operation. Push, pull, push, pull. You keep performing this operation. Let's see how do we perform this. Make a heading GitHub, copy this diagram.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me? Ma'am.
Please tell me. Somebody called me. Please tell me.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, my Java version is 8, ma'am. You told me to check.
Correct, correct. What is your Java version, Sharif?
8, ma'am. Version 8.
Update the version of your Java. That's the reason it does not support. Update the version, then your Eclipse will support.
Ma'am,
Yes, Anusha.
in real time, these designing will be done by only architect, ma'am. Complete designing.
Minimum at least 5+ years of experience. Not after it can be a senior automation engineer who's having minimum 5+ or 6+. See, some companies will have their own inbuilt frameworks.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, some companies will have their own inbuilt frameworks, and some companies will see what they will do is we keep working, right? They keep working and they will do some of the inbuilt own framework they will sit and do complete of. I mean, they'll keep it. So ready-made, no. Ready-made, they'll keep it whenever it comes. Design. See, now we also wrote a design. This design is constant for any application you take. This design is constant. Are you understanding?
Yes.
Any application.
Yes, ma'am.
So like some of the things they will write it, they will keep it ready, and they will do modification. They will do modification depending on the requirement, or they'll start designing from the beginning.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
That depends. That depends. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Making, I'll teach you GitHub and Jenkins on Friday. Okay, that you have to take a mock. Next, metading, framework architecture. Very important default question. Framework architecture. Hold on, don't write because I may delete something. Don't write. Have patience. I'll give you time. Don't write along with me because if I delete for you, you cannot write it in your book. For me, it is easy to erase. For you, if you scribble, it will not look good on your book. Hold on. What is this? Base class, property file. This one. Next. Form.xml. Photo path. Okay. Look at my screen. Please don't write it. Look at my screen. Step number 1. What we did, we created one auto constant interface. Correct, right? Inside this, we stored key and path. Sorry, we stored inside this path of all the constants. We stored all the constants like property file path, Excel path, property file path, photo path, all the path we stored here. Next, we created a base class to open the application and close the application. Next, we created one property file path in order to read the data. Next, we created one WebDrive utilities to handle this. Next, we created one photo class in order to take a screenshot of the field as cases. Next, in order to store the data, we used data.properties class. Base class, property file, WebDriver utilities, photo is there. Then we created a form classes depending on the number of pages in the application. Next, we created the test classes using annotation test method. This also took sample. Okay. Now we are going to read the property. Property file. We are going to convert into testng.xml file, and we are going to generate the report, pass, fail, and skip. Okay. So I will take a photo of the test cases. Copy
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
It's completed.
Finished,
Not
ma'am.
completed. Okay.
Yes.
I'll give you this explanation. I'll give you this explanation on Friday. First, you take this. I'll explain it to you. I'll give it to you. Guys, look here. Tomorrow, tomorrow is your final mock. Friday, I'm going to teach you GitHub and Jenkins. And Saturday, we will do entire revision of your Selenium. Okay? Okay?
Yes.
I'll give you the
Okay,
work.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any question, any doubts, it's okay. I can take your class till Monday. Not in hurry burry in completing your portions. End of the day, I want you guys to be thorough with the concepts. Okay. I'll give you this framework. You guys can sit and practice. Okay. Look at this and sit and practice. GitHub.com. I'll explain it to you, this GitHub. Okay.
Ma'am, mock timings, ma'am.
Same timings. Same timings it is. No changes in the timing. Same timings. Come early, finish your thing, and go. Okay, 1 minute.
Ma'am, what about experience resume part, ma'am?
Sorry, come again.
Experienced resume part.
Experience.
Resume build.
That is on Friday. Friday, Saturday. See, Friday, my intention is I want to finish GitHub Jenkins. I want to give you sample resume and interview questions. Okay. In case if time is not there, we will do it on Saturday.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Right click. One second. One second. Wait. Why noise? Wait. Okay, refer this framework. Okay, without fail, attend the mark. Okay, it is pushing. Wait for 2 minutes. Okay. Take this link I posted in the chat. I don't want anybody post it in a group or somewhere. Okay, I have pinged you in the chat. Take this, guys. Ping that link in the chat. Have you able to take it? No problem, Lokesh. No problem. Okay. Everybody got the link? Okay, guys. Thank you, everyone.
Yes.
Bye. Let's catch up tomorrow and let's continue. Thank
Bye,
you.
ma'am.
Guys. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.